allows for timely maintenance and prevents catastrophic failures. Section 4. AI, keeping traffic moving safely. Traffic management is another crucial aspect of tunnel safety. Ensuring that vehicles move smoothly through tunnels is essential to prevent accidents and maintain efficiency. AI plays a vital role in ensuring smooth and safe traffic flow. By constantly monitoring traffic conditions, the AI system can make real-time adjustments to traffic signals and lane usage. AI-powered cameras monitor vehicle speed and distance. These cameras provide a continuous stream of data, which is analyzed to detect any irregularities or potential hazards. This information helps in preventing congestion and accidents. By analyzing traffic patterns, the AI can predict and mitigate traffic jams before they occur. In case of an incident, the AI can quickly alert authorities and guide drivers to safety. The system can also provide real-time updates to drivers, ensuring they are aware of any changes in traffic conditions. Section 5. A safer future for tunnels with AI. The benefits of AI in tunnel safety are numerous. AI enhances safety by detecting hazards, monitoring structural integrity, and managing traffic. AI also improves efficiency. It enables faster response times, reduces downtime, and optimizes traffic flow. This results in a safer and more efficient transportation system. Section 6. Overcoming challenges, embracing progress. While AI offers tremendous potential, challenges remain. Data privacy and security are crucial considerations. Robust cybersecurity measures are essential. Continuous research and development are vital. AI algorithms need to be constantly refined. Collaboration between experts from various fields is key to overcoming these challenges. Section 7. AI, illuminating the path to safer tunnels. AI is transforming tunnel safety, making it smarter and more proactive. By embracing AI and addressing the challenges, we can ensure safer journeys for everyone. As AI technology advances, we can look forward to even safer and more efficient tunnels in the future.